All right, welcome back, guys. So today I'll be actually installing PowerToys, which is a workhouse. So this is just an overview of how PowerToys looks, and I'll be talking more about it later. So let's just download it straight away. So if I go to, you can actually download it from Microsoft Store, or you can go to your browser, open a new window, and search for PowerToys. So you click on the first link, and here you see all you need to know about PowerToys and what it do. It's actually a open source utility designed to help power users. It's like a workhouse where you get to do every utilities. There are a lot of features, and this video will be a series where we'll be explaining each and every one of it. So just stay glued and stay tuned, and there are a lot of features to talk about, and we'll be talking about them one after the other. So I will show you how to download it. You can actually download it from here, install it from here on the website, or you can go to your Microsoft Store, which is the easiest. Type PowerToys, search for it, and you should see it here. You click on it, and you have it here right away. Looking at the screenshots, this is actually awake. There are different screenshots. How it helps you to install app easier or search for apps. It helps you to pick color palette. There are a lot, both keyboard manager, both image resizer, both PowerRename, that you rename all your files at once, both is runner. There are a lot of things which we are going to look at right away. So back to installing. When it opens, click on install, and it starts installing. It's going to take some time to get the installing done. So I'll be running through some things that we have in the PowerToys. We have the automatic paste, we have the always on top, awake, color picker, command not found, how to fix that, command palette, copy and lock, environment, variables, FancyZone, file explorer add-ons. There are a lot of, you can see them here. File explorer add-on, file locksmith, host file editor, image resizer, keyboard manager, light switch, mouse utilities, mouse without borders, new. It shows how to create new just personalized setup or template for creating new files or folders. Pick, PowerRename to rename bulk renaming. PowerToys run, how to run apps and open apps instantly. Quick accent, registry review. Screen ruler, it measures the pixel of your screen based on the image age detection. Shortcut guide, text extractor, it extracts text from any side of your screen. Workspaces, zoom it. There are lots. We are going to talk about them one after the other. So let's go back and see if it's done installing. Okay, almost through. So all these are actually what we'll be seeing and seeing how it works. So we just have to pause the video and restart when it's done. So I think it's done right away, and it's going to take some time to install. So it's power user tools, just like a workhouse or toolbox, important toolbox that anybody want to enjoy, especially Windows 11, Windows 10 must actually have on his PC to actually enjoy the full features Windows has in store for us. You can see the power rating is actually good. People have been giving good ratings about it, and here are some of the features we talked about that it has. So we will be looking at each and every one of them one after another. All right, it's done installing, and over here you can see that it actually has a good age rating from 3+. So I'll be opening it, so we'll just look at the interface and what we are going to be learning. So here's the interface. It has system tools, it has Windows layout, it has input output, it has file management, it has advanced. So we are going to look at all these features and how to turn them on and turn them off from here. All right, guys, thank you, and see you in the next video.